Thank you, Margaret. Thank you to all of our panelists. What an awesome session and a wonderful day. Just a great way to end. We really appreciate all of our panelists who joined us for today and all of you who stuck with us for both our session on earlier in the weekend today. Just want to give you previews of coming attractions. We have our final session next week on Wednesday, June 2nd. And day 3 will explore the potential strategy and roadmap for integrated payment approaches to efficiency, effectiveness, and equity, adding to the discussions that we've had so far. So we really hope that you will come back and join us, and I will toss it to Michael, who will close us out.
Well, thank you very much, Keisha, and thanks again to everyone. This, again, was just an extraordinary day. Without trying to go through the dozens of fundamentally important observations and insights that were shared, I want to, I think in some ways, come back to what Peter Long said as he was summarizing the first panel and express deep appreciation for the genuine humanity that every individual who spoke brought to the table. And that's really, I think, captures very nicely what we heard in every single presentation: relationships, trust, delightful memories. From many different perspectives, we heard about the importance of engaging people where they are, engaging them with the issues that motivate them most, and engaging them in a fashion that not only can understand, but link them to assistance in helping to achieve their goals. So it was an inspiring day, and it was also a very informative day. It really, in many ways, went beyond what we were hoping to achieve with day 2, to identify different levers and approaches and to move into the strategic dimension. So it was a beautiful setup for our next conversation as well. Again, special thanks to our co-chairs, to Mai and Keisha. Obviously, great gratitude to the members of the planning committee and the moderators of today's session, and especially to the speakers who inspired us all. With terrific enthusiasm as well, I want to wish our staff and the people who've made this all happen a wonderful Memorial Day weekend, as I do to each of you. I hope it'll be one in which you all get lots of sleep. And we've heard about the importance there, and that you have a great time and be well, be safe, and we'll see you next week. Take care. Bye now.